Google has already given its flagship Pixel 9 Pro a significant design overhaul, and it looks like they might be ready to do it again with its successor. The latest leaks suggest that the Pixel 10 Pro will keep the horizontal camera module we've seen on the current model, but there's a fresh concept video by Ford R&D that imagines a bolder redesign for the device. The standout feature in this concept is the vertical camera module placed right in the center of the phone. It reminds us of the huge centrally aligned camera module on the Sony Xperia 1.6, only with Google's signature pixel twist. This design houses 3 cameras arranged in the iconic traffic light pattern, alongside an LED flash and a sizable Google logo to complete the look. As with most concept videos, it's important to note that this is purely speculative, so we're also treated to a design with ultra-thin screen bezels that make the phone look sleek and modern. Moving on to the display, the concept shows a fingerprint sensor built right into the panel, offering a clean, uninterrupted screen experience. The punch-hole front camera is centered and noticeably smaller compared to the one found on the Pixel 9 Pro, keeping that minimalist vibe going. As for the colors, the Pixel 10 Pro is shown in a range of attractive shades, including white, black, red, and blue. Of course, no concept would be complete without a wish list of dream features. According to the video, the Pixel 10 Pro could come with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for added durability, as well as a pair of larger display sizes, 6.4-inch and 6.9-inch, boasting peak HDR brightness of up to 4,000 nits. Battery life gets a nice boost too, with a larger 5300 mAh battery supporting 45 watts fast charging. And let's not forget about the cameras. The concept suggests a 64 megapixels main camera, 64 megapixels ultra-wide angle camera, and a 64 megapixels periscope telephoto camera, which could offer up to 50x zoom with digital magnification. As for the chip, the rumor mill points to the new Tensor G5 ARM processor, though we've seen some leaks already that give us an idea of what's coming. It's important to remember that these specs are not confirmed, and they're just part of the wish list from the concept creator. We don't know for sure whether the Pixel 10 Pro will actually pack all of these upgrades, but based on past trends, we wouldn't be surprised if Google pulls out all the stops for the next generation. Either way, we're looking at a summer 2025 launch for the Pixel 10 series, so there's plenty of time to dream about what could be. So, what do you think of these new Pixel 10 renders? Do you love the idea of this new design, or would you prefer something else? Drop your thoughts down in the comments, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.